Hello and welcome back. This video is designed to explain how to install a Boxnet folder onto your My page. So it may get slightly complicated in places and I may get tongue-tied at times, but hopefully we'll get there in the end. Perhaps one of the first places to start will be to have a look at other members' Boxnet folders. We can do this by selecting members and then by holding our mouse cursor over the members button and then going down to with Boxnet app. By clicking on this will open up a list of members who have already installed a Boxnet folder. So here we go. If we select one of these members, so for example Umberto, we'll see at the bottom of his page he has a Boxnet folder, and in here he's uploaded majority of his publications. By clicking on these PDF files we can download these publications to our own computer. So this is what a Boxnet folder looks like. So now to add it to your own page, what you can do is if you're looking at a member's My page who already has a Boxnet folder, you can click Add to My page. But what we're going to do is we're going to do it the slightly long way round. So if you go to My page and click on it to open it up, in the middle column you see Add Apps. What you need to do is click on Add Apps. This will open up the Ning members apps directory. So these are applications which you can add to your My page, be it a Twitter tracker or indeed games. The easiest way to find the Boxnet folder is to click on Most Popular. This will show you the most popular apps that members of ZooBook have uploaded to their My pages. So here you can see the most popular apps are the Boxnet folder, a Twitter tracker, and the text box. By Boxnet folder, click Add to My page. You then come up with a dialog box. Then click Add Apps, and if you wish you can look at the app's terms of use. You will then be returned to your My page, where you have a message saying that the Boxnet Files app has been added. Apps are always added down at the bottom of your page initially. And down here you see we have a Boxnet folder. Now if you already use Box.net, you can just log straight in to your account. But if you have not used it before, you can click Register. So we're going to click Register. To register, you need to input your email address, a password, and a name. Then click Register. You should hopefully then see a congratulations box. You are now registered to Box.net, and you can upload your files and manage them from here. So if we close that box, it will then initialize your Box.net profile, your folder, on ZooBook. Now if you wish, you can move this folder further on up your My page by holding your mouse above the Box.net files title, pressing the left hand mouse button and then dragging the folder further on up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it all the way to the top of my page, but below my welcome section. Now in your Boxnet folder you can, if you wish, create other folders as well. So if you click on create a folder, I'm going to create one called My Reports. This allows you to easily organize the different files you upload into your Boxnet folder. One of the next things you need to do is you need to link your Boxnet folder into the rest of ZooBook, so the files you upload are displayed upon the members' shared files and also upon the members' latest shared files here on the left hand side. To do this, you need to send the RSS link from your Boxnet folder to the administrator, James Morris. To do this, you left click on the menu tab on your Boxnet folder and then click on subscribe. What you need to do then is copy this text shown, so you can just press copy. You then need to send it to James, or to myself, as I am James. The easiest way to do this is to go down to the bottom of the page and you see created by James Morris. Click on James Morris and my page will open up. You can then send me a message by clicking on Send a Message. This opens up the message function of ZooBook. You can then, in the text box, if it works, click Paste, and this will paste in the link that is required for ZooBook to add your Boxnet folder to the latest shared files and the members' shared files. So if I just go Boxnet folder, then down at the bottom press send. What I will then do is I will then add that link into ZooBook so that your files appear, and it will take approximately 24 hours for the link to start working. In the Boxnet folder you'll notice that there's something called profile. The Boxnet actual folder is called profile folder. The best way to explain what this is to actually go to the Boxnet site itself. So I can do this one of two ways. I can go to www.box.net, which will open up the main site, and if I do that now, there we go. And on the main site you can log in using the same email address and same password as you inputted when you registered on the site. One of the things you may notice on the Boxnet website is that there's a price option. Do not be alarmed by this. You're not paying for the Boxnet folder itself. If I click on the price option, you'll see that the one you've registered for when using ZooBook is the personal option, which is free and which gives each user 5 gigabytes of web storage for free. As you see, the 5 gigabytes is free. You can pay to have more gigabytes if you want. And the maximum size of file you can upload is 25 megabytes for free. You can also log into your Boxnet folder through ZooBook as well. So if I return to ZooBook and I return to my page, if I click on the menu option, it has Go to Boxnet. So if I click on this, it should open up a new window. And it opens up a window actually inside your Boxnet profile. So this is the same view you would see if you logged in through the main Boxnet site. And here you can see there's the profile folder. It's this profile folder that contains all the files that you view on ZooBook. However, if you wish to, you can use Boxnet to store files that would not be viewed on ZooBook. So for example, I can create a new folder. So I can create a new folder name I can keep it private for now, press OK, and the folder will load up. Now this folder will not show in the Boxnet folder on your My Page. Only documents you load into your profile folder will show on your page. So this is a useful way of actually using the Boxnet for your own private work and for sharing information you're not yet ready to put onto ZooBook because it may be work that is still in progress. So hopefully this video has helped explain the Boxnet folder to you and will allow you to use the Boxnet folder if you so wish.